This exercise will help you in knowing the values of your pencil. First, draw two lines like this and join them this way. Now I'll create some boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have the 7th one already there. Now you will not apply any pressure on the pencil and very lightly shade this area. Then you will slowly increase the darkness of the pencil this way. Then over here, make it even darker. It gets even darker here. Basically, as you move towards the right block, you make your pencil darker and darker. Just increase the pressure on the pencil and that will increase the darkness as well. As you can see, as we moved from left to the right, the darkness of the pencil increased. Next, we will repeat the process with the color pencil. I am using a purple pencil for this step. Step with 2B, 4B, 6B and 8B pencils.